Today on the channel, I'm going to be talking about Google's new original conversion value column and how you can use that with conversion value rules. Hey, I'm Ed from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please subscribe to the channel and like our content. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so today, as I alluded to up front, Google has added a new feature, and that is this conversion value column, this original conversion value column, which you can add to your reports. This comes in really handy if you're using value rules in your account, because value rules will tend to skew or adjust the reported conversion value. And so an example of this would be if you had like a 2x modifier on a particular zip code or a state, and you got a conversion from that location, it would double the conversion value that's reported for that. And that's fine. But, kind of the intention of value rules is to assume that the value of that conversion is higher, and thus, Google's going to provide that adjustment. But it is nice to know kind of what your baseline value is without the applied rules. And until now, we didn't have an easy way to get that without basically subtracting out the value adjustment. So you could create a custom column to emulate this, and we would do it in some cases, but now having this column is just a lot easier. So in this example, there's like a very minimal adjustment. I think we have a 10% on a set of zip codes, so there's only like probably one conversion was adjusted here. And so you can see there's like a $5 value adjustment, and then total for the account is $10 in this time range I'm looking at. And we can see that the conversion value here is just slightly higher, $5, and in this case, $10. So it's a small but a nice thing for those of you that do use value adjustments. I do suggest that you do check out other videos I have on value adjustments, because I do kind of explain how those are very beneficial to a lot of advertisers, and it is a very underutilized feature. I will post a link to other relevant video. I think I have at least one or maybe two, and an article I recently wrote about value rules. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you find this useful, and I will see you next time.